Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step getting how to send money from RBC Royal to PayPal. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to get started with the process, the first thing to do is to link your RCB bank account to your PayPal. So using this, you can simply do this using your PayPal website. So just log on to your PayPal account using the website, then click on the wallet at the top of the page, then click link a bank account, then search for RBC Royal Bank or select it from the list. Then from there, follow the on-screen instruction to complete the linking process. And also, if you want to link the RCB to your PayPal using the mobile app, just open the PayPal app and log into your account, then tap on wallet, then tap the plus icon next to the bank and card, then tap on bank, then search for RCB Royal Bank or select it from the list, then follow the prompt to link your bank account, and that's how you can simply send money from RBC to PayPal. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.